Is it visible, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So black to play. Think what will you play, kids?
Sir. 1 minute. Sir.
Yes, Advait.
Bishop to E3. Bishop to E3.
E3. Okay. So this is a discovered check. Okay, guys. This is called as discovered check. When you move something, some other piece, but other piece gives the check. Okay. That is called as discovered check. Agastya, want to say something? Okay. So once this is given, there is only one choice, right, kids? Where the white king will come? Here, correct? No other place. Yeah. And now what will you play?
Sir. Bishop to F4. Bishop F4.
Bishop F4. So there are
Yes.
two choices now. Either bring the queen in between or push the pawn. What will you do if you are white? You will push the pawn, right?
Sir.
Yes.
Now queen. Sir, now queen to F2. Queen F2.
Queen to F2 check. Next. Only choice.
Sir, now bishop captures
The queen
the
can also
pawn.
come in between, okay? Okay.
Sir,
The
bishop captures pawn.
bishop captures pawn. Now, can white give check from here?
Yes, sir. Now king will move to E7.
White will capture this.
Sir, queen to H2. 1 moment.
Okay. Queen to H2 will be a checkmate. So that is the reason white will not play this. Okay. Can white give check and capture this? Obviously not.
No.
Okay. So what white will play now? Maybe white will take this out. Right? Or what else white can do? White can capture this, by the way. This is good for white, right? And now what black will play?
Sir, white can capture the pawn. Black can capture the pawn of C2.
Yes.
Yes. Sir. No, sir.
Oh,
Now the queen to E1. Queen E1.
are you sure?
Not F1.
Okay.
E1.
Okay. E1. Okay. You want to draw by repetition?
No.
Then Eva.
Sir, bishop will capture the queen. Not.
Yes, sir.
Right. You have to save your this, right?
Look.
Correct. But then now there is a threat. Your bishop is also in danger. Okay, kids. So you don't
Sir, we
need
can
to,
promote the queen.
how will you promote the queen? By capturing?
One capture knight.
But then your pawn, I mean queen will get captured, right? So let us first save this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives check, you come here. You take this. Okay. Now if he gives che Now can
Sir, it is a background mate.
for us? No.
Yes,
Come
queen.
We can do that.
It can move, sir.
Right? Yeah. So he played this.
Sir, you can do undo
Mhm.
more.
Where?
More. Sir, no, sir. When queen was in even, when queen was even, sir, do redo. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Now wait, play white captured. Yes. Now white can play, black can play. Then black can play queen to even.
Into even.
Yes, sir. Sir, now pawn captures pawn.
Here there are two things. The bishop, the queen will capture this.
Yes, sir. Now queen will capture the bishop of.
Okay. Okay, great. In that case, I will give check from here.
Sir, now king to. No, sir. King to
F1, F8.
F8.
Okay.
Sir, it is a one movement from white. Yes, it is a one movement.
Now what will you do now? Okay, you may try to run away, right?
Sir, can you go the whole puzzle back?
Yes, Riporna.
So,
Okay,
sir,
Advait.
do undo.
Bolo.
Yes, now queen captures pawn. D2 pawn.
Check. Okay, good.
Sir, now queen captures bishop.
Very good. Okay. Now what? Next.
Sir, now queen to D3. Now pawn to F5. F7, F5. To F5. Sir, now give the check. No, sir. Yes, sir. Give check.
But then your pawn will get captured, right?
Then queen to F2. F2 queen. Queen F2. Yes. F2. Sir, now rook to E8. Rook E8.
Correct.
Sir, now rook to E3. Rook E3. Sir, now queen to. No, queen will capture queen.
Correct.
Yes, now queen to h4, not f4.
Very good. This is very important, kids. Okay. Why I only shown the arrow here? I just wanted to check if you have if you are paying attention, right? Because this is very important. Okay. So this one is good. Now, yes.
No, sir. Now queen to d, queen to d5, queen d5.
When D5,
No, g5.
G5. Okay. Hmm.
Now, rook to e5, rook to e5. Yes. Sir, now king will move.
Where?
D8. No, sir. E8. Yes, sir. Sir, now king to e8. King to e8.
I will go for a draw by repetition. Advait. Correct?
Yes.
So let's not go into this. Okay, kids. So Shripurna, we are back. So,
Yes, sir.
from
Sir?
beginning. You asked me to go to the from beginning,
No,
right?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So
Sir, I
kids,
said.
yeah, no issues. Kids, rethink on this now. Okay.
Sir, can I
Do
tell?
do we really need to go that long? Okay, Agastya, yes.
Sir, bishop to f2.
Bishop to f2. Okay. King comes here and then
Queen to g1.
king to g1 is checkmate.
Queen
Advait.
to g1.
Advait, this is the solution. Okay. Do we really need to go that long? Okay.
No, sir.
So this is the actual puzzle. Okay. Now what is important here, kids? Discovered check. Okay. Now because of moving this, there is a check and king has no choice but to come here. Okay. And we can give checkmate from here. Now earlier what wrong we did actually? We played this. Okay. Again the king is coming here, but then it's not going to be a checkmate. Although we give check from here, the king is getting escaped. Correct? So that's the reason this is the correct one. Check comes here, checkmate. Understood, kids? Okay. And this concept is called as discovered check. Okay. For those who are new. Okay. Eva, Shripurna, Anay, for you, this is a discovered check. Okay. And Agastya, Advait, this is kind of revision for you, but then you need to identify the like two movement and kind of in that way. Yeah. Let's go to the next one, kids.
Sir, can you repeat what you said?
Okay. Shripurna, where were you paying attention? Okay,
No, sir, a call came.
I mentioned that when you move any piece and other piece gives check to the king, that is called as discovered check. Okay.
Okay.
And because of this discovered check, now king will have to move. So you can checkmate from here. So that is the solution of the puzzle. Okay, but this puzzle is related to the tactic called as discovered check. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next one. White to play, kids. White to play, and can you find if there is any discovered check? And what benefit will you take?
Yes, sir. Sir, bishop to h.
Sir, bishop to h6.
Sir,
Yes,
bishop to
sir.
h6. Bishop to f6. f8. Bishop to f8. Then it is a check.
Bishop to
f8.
King will capture.
Yeah,
I
king
don't
will
know then,
capture actually.
But sir, bishop. Sir, bishop to h6.
Bishop to h6 is check, correct? Now what Agastya suggested, he don't want to leave this diagonal. Okay. Now there is only one place for the king. Yeah. It will come here. Now what?
Sir, there are two mates in one.
Correct. You can checkmate from here is one way. Another way is you can checkmate from here as well.
Sir,
Correct?
what about bishop to f6?
Yes. What is important is you identified this place. Okay, kids. So discovered check is there. Okay. So you identify this place. That is important because this side, if the king, suppose if you remove it somewhere like this, okay, here, or you capture this, for example, okay, in that case the king will come here, and once the king comes here, the problem is there is a protection from the rook. You cannot directly come and give check or something. Okay, although you will come here and then it will come here, you give check, then it will come in between, right? So that will not help you doing the checkmate. Yeah. So identifying this and going to that square is important. Check, it comes here and it is checkmate. Another way is it is checkmate. Okay. Clear? Any question, kids?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Anay?
That's the power of the bishop, right?
Yes, that's the power of the bishop and that's the power of the discovered check.
Sir,
Yes, Anay.
queen to h7.
Queen to
h7.
now.
Queen to h7.
No, but in this position, are you saying, Anay? It will get captured, right? Okay, okay, it will not. But then it is not going to be checkmated, right? The king is getting escape from here.
Okay.
Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just place the bishop here, and once the king comes here, it's a checkmate. Okay, Anay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one, kids. Again, white to play.
The rook takes rook. Yeah.
Rook takes rook is a check, discovered check. Okay, kids.
Check, sir.
Now,
Sir, if we
question for kids, right? If you are getting queen, why are we going for rook? Correct?
Sir, I was telling that sir, if you are getting
So you have to give answer, Sri Purna. Okay, don't ask me.
no, sir. I was gonna tell he admitted. Sir,
Yes.
Then the
Yes, Eva.
sir.
1 second, Agastya, 1 second.
no, sir, I saw the check.
Eva, yes.
Nothing, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Advait.
first rook captures rook.
Okay. Yes, Agastya, what is the reason?
because the king cannot capture the. If we take the queen, the king can capture back. But if we take the rook, the king cannot escape.
Correct. Correct. If we take the queen by rook, it will capture the rook, our rook. Okay, and it will get escaped. Okay, now our objective is not to capture the pieces. Our objective is to checkmate the king. Now, if you look at this, I captured this. So this diagonal is already blocked. This diagonal now we are giving check. Okay, now king has no choice but to come here. Okay, there is no other choice. Correct. Although there is one to bring the queen here, but then obviously,
But we captured.
yeah, somebody will try to, you know, run away kind of, right? And now you can take the queen
Take the
if you
queen.
want. Correct.
Yes.
Although rook is
Sir
anyway,
means from one arrow to hunt.
yeah, and now because you are bishop plus, you can obviously win the game. Correct. Okay, any questions in this, kids?
Oh, sir.
Tripurna,
No, sir.
Sir, we can go rook to b7.
rook to b7 as well.
b7.
Okay, let's try that. If you go rook to b7, in that case, he might bring the rook in between.
Sir, then capture the rook.
Capturing the rook will capture this.
Then capture the queen. And
Now the bishop plus that you was earlier, Agastya. Now you are not bishop plus, right? There is one bishop on black side, one rook on black side. You also have one bishop, right? But in earlier case, you were having one extra bishop. Right?
sir, but after that we have 2 extra pawns.
Sorry.
Sir, but after that we also have 2 extra pawns.
Yeah, but then now tell me one thing. Now, is this situation better or the one that you shown later on was better?
This situation.
Right? Because you have 2 bishops and then 5 pawns. Right?
Yes.
In that case, you had only 1 bishop and 2 pawns extra. I mean, no bishop extra actually. Only 2 pawns were extra. But now you have 1 bishop plus 1 pawn extra. Right? Anyways, let's go to the next one, kids. Let me know, kids, if you want to take the, I mean, this game till end. For example, when it comes here and you capture and capture, you think white can win?
Sir, yes.
Obviously, yes, right? So I mean, I don't think we should play this game, but you need to be, you know, careful, okay? Although you have 1 bishop extra, but always remember that if you exchange the rook versus rook, bishop versus bishop, and 4 pawns versus 4 pawn, and one of the pawn extra if you exchange, then your alone bishop cannot checkmate your opponent king, okay? Always remember. So this is interesting position. I might have taken it till end actually, but in interest of time, let's move to the next puzzle. Okay, but you need to play such kind of games, kids. Okay. Okay, white to play. Think. Let me ask Eva now this time. Okay, Eva. Other kids can think, but do not
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yeah?
Sir, knight to f8.
Okay, knight to f8 you will give. But then what benefit are you getting because of this? So whenever you are giving discovered check, kids, you need to look for what additional benefit I'm going to get because of that. Okay. Now see, instead of bringing the knight here, can you bring it somewhere else and take the benefit, Eva? Can you think on those lines?
Yes, sir, that's what I'm thinking.
Sir, it is correct answer.
Yes, Advait. I will come to you later on, okay? Agastya, you can also send on chat better, okay, if you find the answer. And send it to me only, okay, not to all. Yes, Eva, waiting for you. Shri Purna, you can
Yes, sir,
also,
I
you
am
also
thinking.
have to think, okay, Anay, Shri Purna, and send the answer on chat if you find it before Eva.
Sir, knight to f4.
Knight to f4. What benefit will that give to us?
So, but the knight will capture it.
You will get this knight afterwards.
Yes, sir, and then the queen.
Okay. Okay, that can be a one alternative. Good. Okay, let me come to Agastya. What is your say on this? Discover check and then capture the knight.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this what you was also suggesting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Advait. Advait had different answer like this. Two things actually. It is blocking this as well as this. Okay. Now there is no choice but to either push the pawn or push the king. So he will push the king only. Okay. Now you have two choices. One is you capture this and attack on the queen. Another one is
Sir, that's what I was doing.
bring the queen here. Okay, but in that case you might lose your bishop, knights. Okay, so better way to capture it. Yeah,
Sir, that's what I was doing.
correct. Okay, so yes, that's the reason I said this is another alternative, Eva. Okay, so this is also good, this is also good, but then this was not the right one. Yeah, when you are bringing it here, it is not the right way. Okay. Okay, so check comes here, capture. Now whatever black can do, you can continue the game from here. Suppose black captured this, you can give the check. It's here.
Sir,
But anyways, because we are one knight extra, okay, you have opportunity to win the game. Okay, now suppose he played something like this. It's a check and mate. Can you see, kids? So obviously
yes,
he will try to defend. How will you defend this position now, kids? You cannot give check, correct? You cannot save this now. So maybe you can bring it here actually. This is quite possible, correct? So maybe meanwhile we can push the pawns.
But if the queen is playing, the queen will capture it again.
All right. Okay, but this is how you can defend. Okay, but you cannot defend for long, otherwise this queen will get blocked here, right?
Yes, sir.
And now if you say that, sir, I have pinned this queen, so it is not no longer valid if you either take this here, okay, or this here, and then try to attack on these pawns, or from this place. Maybe later on you bring the sorry, not here, but then push the pawn and then bring the knight here. and then
Sir,
try to
rejoin?
checkmate from here. Yeah. Okay.
Rejoin?
No, Shripurna. Let's go to the next one, kids. Yeah. Last puzzle for the day. This is white to play again. Okay, white to
Sir.
play.
Sir,
Let
Sir,
me.
we have to rejoin.
No, Advait. We still have 3 minutes, kids. We can solve it. Yes, let me go to Anay. Anay, you have to find the discovered attack, discovered check. Other kids can send me the answer on chat.
Black or white?
White to play, white to play.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it is correct.
Sir,
Yes,
is it correct?
yes, Eva.
Knight A5.
Knight A5 मध्ये discovered check कुठे बेटा अनय? If you give knight to, but knight to A5 कुठे येतो actually? Are you saying H5?
Sir, C6.
Very good. C6. C6 is a discovered check. Okay, now when the king moves, wherever the king moves, you have got queen over here. Okay, you are capturing the queen.
Sir,
Okay.
then the queen will capture. No, the queen will capture.
Yeah, that is fine, but you are getting the queen, right? Then you give the
No,
check
sir.
from here.
Sir, the queen
Sir, there
can
is fear of-
can also be captured. Queen
Yes,
will capture
after this,
our pawn.
wherever it comes, here or there, you give the capture this and give check. Okay, so this is what discovered check is, kids. Okay, so let us stop here for today. Okay, we will continue the next set of puzzles tomorrow. Okay, this is new
Sir,
learning.
puzzles or tournaments?
No, the puzzle studies that we are doing. Okay,
Okay,
kids.
okay, sir.
Okay, kids. Bye bye. We will stop
Bye.
here for today.
Right, sir.
Bye bye.